Hey, good morning, Pi. Welcome to the weekend.
Good morning there, G20. DeathValley, California, waving a hand to you.
Trying to talk to California, man. I guess I'll represent California this morning talking to Death Valley. It's only about 100 miles away, so I'll represent California this morning, no doubt about it. Y'all sounding good out here in the west side. Superpower bad boy back in the bushes. I'm reading the mail. California, man, y'all sounding good? No doubt about it, man. Y'all sounding up good up in my radio this morning. We get wide to the side, and the green light is on, and bad boy is gone, and I'm reading the mail. With that big hammer, what's that handle? Go ahead.
Yeah, we got Joe Blow. You're doing good.
Hello, Midnight Star, man. You're smoking out here in Central California, man. You got a lockdown. Hey, Midnight Star, with your good sounding self. Out there in Arkansas, bad boy on the west side with the wave. Break a break.
Right to 50 degrees change. Sound real good.
You're a daytime star this morning up in my radio, man. That thing is smoking out here. You're about 50 over 9. You get the cheddar cheese champ award this morning, man. No doubt, man. You take care. No doubt about it. They call me Superpower on the west side. I just keep it simple, and I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Conditions really suck out here. 682 Smoking Joe says Mother Nature just drops out when she wants to.
Midnight Star, will you stop in any time? You doing a drive-by, you got to put your brakes on. Stop in at any time. Get a nice sounding station. Midnight Star, bad boy on the west side. Back in the bushes. I'll see you. I hear you, 31. 31, I hear your radio. Bad boy on the west side. Break, break.
You got Ratchet, Northern Cal, on the mobile, on the wayman.
No, I hear you, 31. Just a bunch of people in there, man. Hey, 31, I hear you loud and proud out here. Central California, man. Don't worry about a thing, Mr. 31, 31, 31. Put it on you later, bad boy. I'll see ya. Hello, 404 in the BAM. Hello, 404. You're up on my radio, man. No problemo. 404. Bad boy stepping. I'll see ya. Got it all, 404. Put it on you later. The machete is ready for the Friday night fights and bad boy stepping. I'll see ya. 504 out there, Coast to Coast Radio. Hello, 504 out there in Georgia. Good morning time. Actually, well, it's 11:30. Anyway, brunch time to you out there in Georgia, Badboy West Side at 8:30 in the morning. I'll see you.
Hello. Check. Okay, ya está. Esto. Llega 431.
I got 2 minutes on this video gig left. I'm gonna get in where I fit in. 2:20 up in Tennessee, and I'm reading this mail.
How about that? You got some time on that video game, boy, man. I'll tell you, man, you come up in there and scared me. Hey, 220, man, I don't know what you're doing. You got that fuel injection, and you're mashing the gas. I don't know, or you, or you put up another antenna in 15 minutes. 220, high voltage, bad boy. Read the mail. I'll let you go to the west side. I'll see you. Read the mail.
I let these power supplies reduce. Got a deck in about. I'll deck in about 225. Well, my gain's got about 75 watts. I guess. Bring it up about 75 watts, and the rest is all swing.
Swinging way up there, man. Swinging way up there. I'm gonna, I've been so tied up with the family stuff, when I go out, I stay in and then I just go out and I just go to hospitals and I come back. So, I'm gonna get some kind of webcam. Some kind of camera here instead of using my phone and hook it up to the computer and try to do some propagating instead of the nonsense. Maybe I'll mount it up on the ceiling or something. Get it out of the way. But you're all up in my radio, no doubt about it. 220 high voltage, bad boy on the west side. I tried to say.
Yeah. Well, I've tried several web cameras. The one I've got now is a Microsoft, and I'm kind of looking, when I get time, I got to look for a really good camera, because this one here does a good job, but on the audio, I'm louder, I'm real loud, and it's because of the microphone on the camera. So I gotta find a microphone. I gotta find a different setup. But yeah, I got mine going straight to YouTube right now. So whatever we're doing right now is going straight to YouTube. All I gotta do is just fill in the title, and it goes straight to YouTube. So anyway, my time is about out, and I'm gonna get off here and post this gate. All right, bad boys, 73s, everybody, welcome to the weekend. 220 in the foothills of 10. I'm gonna get back in the bushes.
Quiet, numbskull.
Yeah, no doubt about it. I forgot to put my foot down because I did a little gate at you. It's got a little audio up on you. Of course, as soon as I hook up the gate, you drop 20 dB. But then you came back up in there. Anyway, put it on you later. Yeah, this is all half-assed. I got half-assed gates. I gotta fix all this mess. I gotta mess with it. I had a camera out there. It's so old though. It's an older type camera. I gotta go see if it even works. I don't even know if it's USB. it might have some crazy end on it from 1999. I gotta go look. I don't even know if it's a USB camera. 220, man. Talk to you later, bad boy. I'll see you.